Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to be making, on our menu today we're going to be making homemade hot chocolate. If you want to subscribe, just subscribe to Rihanna's YouTube channel at Rihanna Jones on YouTube. So first we are going to be starting off with some organic Dutch cocoa powder, unsweetened. And we also have our sweetened condensed milk, and we are going to use these two, and plus some vanilla extract and some Himalayan pink salt to add a little bit of kick to our hot chocolate. So stay tuned. Now we have our vanilla right here. It's about a tablespoon of vanilla. We got some Himalayan pink salt, and then we're going to be pouring and filling up this glass. We're going to add more than, we're going to use milk instead of water to make it more creamy. So go ahead and pour your milk in there to a fistful. Organic whole milk. There you go. My daughter's doing it now, so all right, that's good. All right, first we're going to open up our can of condensed milk and put it in our pot. All right, we got our saucepan here, not saucepan, but our pan. We have a bigger pot because we have more people to make it for, and we're going to be putting our condensed milk inside of here. Slowly, my daughter's going to be doing it, so inshallah, let's go. All right, I got this. Let me hold this part. Hold the can over the pot. All right, I'm gonna scoop it out. Make sure we get all of that yummy condensed milk. Get it all in there. All right, everyone. So this is our condensed milk right here in our pot. What I'm going to do is be adding a little secret ingredient, which is some organic evaporated milk. I'm gonna add some of that and stir it in a little bit. That's enough. That's enough. Gotta stir that in real good. We're going to put this on as soon as we put our Dutch chocolate in it. Alright, so we'll be back when we put the Dutch chocolate in it. I'm going to stir this all together. Now we have our Dutch chocolate right here, and we are going to be adding probably a whole cup since I'm making a bigger pot. Gotta get that in there a little bit more. I'm going to add more of that. I'm going to pour that in there. Go ahead and pour it. Good job. We're going to get a, not yet. We're going to put the other cup. We're going to put the other cup. And we're going to add another one of these because we kind of missed out on some of the filling. So we're going to add another cup, and we'll show you how when we stir it. So we add our two full cups, and we're now going to stir it all together. All right, good job. And I want to stir it more, and I'll be back. We are still stirring it, so we're going to put it on medium heat and continue to stir it. And I'm going to add the vanilla extract and the Himalayan pink salt. Add in our vanilla. Add in our vanilla. So mixing it while it's on medium heat. You can see how it's turning into like a brownie mixture. We're going to add our Himalayan salt, and it's like a half of teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Himalayan pink salt. There you go. Sprinkle it on there. And that gives that little salted taste inside of your cocoa if you like that. Not too salty. But we're going to continue stirring this until it becomes kind of like a paste. I'm going to show you how it looks when it's all pasty. I got my wooden spoon out so we can scrape the sides off some. See, it's a little to the sides, but this is how the consistency looks. I'm gonna be stirring it more as it heats up. It's gonna melt all of that chocolate all the way through, and then we're gonna add our milk. So it is pretty heated right now. Sorry, it's kind of blurry, my camera. Let's see if I get a little better. All right, sorry about that. So now we have our chocolate all heated up. The sides will come down, of course, when we add the milk right now. So since it's all heated up, we're going to add some of our milk. Good job. All right, I'm just going to stir some. I'm going to add more cups as slowly as the chocolate all melts through the milk. You can see it's turning that yummy hot chocolate, and this is our Dutch cocoa, so it's a little bit more rich, Continue to stir that, and we're going to add a little bit more of our evaporated milk. Because remember, guys, we're trying to get it that creamy consistency and that creamy taste. And we generally use 1 whole can of evaporated milk. Stirring that in. And this is going to cook on medium heat until it's nice and hot. I'm going to add some more. Our daughter's going to add some more milk. Add it in. There we go. Good job. So remember, guys, this is a large pot. So, because we have a lot of people to give it to. So, continue stirring. It looks so good. Yummy. So this is going to all melt even off the spoon once it gets hot. Don't want it to boil because milk boils over. Because we're not using water for this. We're using milk as instead of water. So continue to stir it until it gets a little bit hotter. And you come out with some great hot chocolate. Sure. All right, so this is our cocoa mix. So good. It smells so good. Dark and rich Dutch hot cocoa, homemade hot cocoa. So once it gets a little bit more warm, we're going to be putting it in our cups. So stay tuned. All right, so our hot chocolate is nice and hot. And now we're going to be putting it into our cups for everyone. Okay, so let's start putting it in our cups. So delicious. It smells so good. Excuse if there's a few drips. Look at that. Delicious. I'll tap that off with another spoon. We don't have any marshmallows or any whipped cream. We're gonna have it nice and fresh and yummy. Here is our hot chocolate, homemade hot chocolate. Hope you all give it a try. It's absolutely delicious. My daughter's gonna take a sip. Made a little dip right there, but that's okay. This is live. So, is it good? She gives it a thumbs up. Gives it a thumbs up. Delicious. All for the kids and your whole family on a nice cold morning or afternoon or evening. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give the hot chocolate a try. 100% organic.
Bye. Thanks for watching.